welcome to the Trucker John Show. Today is Sunday, December 22nd, 2019. And we are down here in Knoxville. We got rolling a little bit earlier. It is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. 47 degrees here in Knoxville. We're getting a little bit of drizzle right now. I'm on the 640 bypass because it looked like there's a little bit of a backup right in town there on I-40. So I'll get around most of that, looks like. And looking good. Should be in Huntsville early enough for them to unload me. I just spoke to the agent, and I'm going to be there just about 4 o'clock. So she's going to tell them I'll be there 4:30 or 5. So if we get there a little bit earlier, that'll make them happy. Thanks for joining me, guys. We'll get in there, get unloaded, and I'm not really sure how much time I'm going to have left on my clock. I might have 2 hours, I think. I think I only had 10 hours available for today, so I'm going to use up at least 7 of that. Yeah, well, maybe I'll have a couple hours. Maybe we get on up to like the Ttjs truck stop in Franklin, Tennessee or something tonight. Do our 10-hour break. And pick up our load tomorrow morning and head for home. Gonna be tight on the hours. Like I said, I'm running on pickup hours. I didn't get my reset in when I was at home. Wasn't home long enough. So I wasn't even home 24 hours. So I need 34 hours off duty to reset your hours. So by pickup hours, what I mean is I'm gaining back what I worked 8 days ago at midnight every night. So I only gained 7.25 hours last night for today, and then combined with what I had left, it's only equal 10 hours. So, and then tonight at midnight I get 11.25, so that'll help. Yeah, so it's supposed to be a rainy day in this area. It's supposed to get wetter as I go further south. But at least it's not cold and it's not snow. Traffic has been pretty heavy from Withville on down on 81 and 40. It was heavy, very heavy. Moving, but heavy. You wouldn't know that it was heavy over here. This ain't bad at all. Wish it was like this all the way. Man, we just need to get down. Once we get to the west side of Chattanooga, then we're in good shape. because we'll be getting off and going down 72 towards Huntsville, and I don't really expect that to be any problems over there. Only problem I might have there would be heavy rain. This road is rough over here on this 640 though. All right. Boy. Rough road here. I ain't been on the 640 in a while. Let's see. We're almost back to I-40 here. Might be a little slow right here, but it looks like it picks up right away. Looking at the traffic map on my GPS. So my GPS is right up here next to the camera almost. Well, I see I-40 there. Traffic looks kind of slow. I think it picks up as soon as we get on here, though. Stay in lanes. Okay, we can do that. Right 2 lanes. Keep moving. All right. Yeah, definitely a lot of people out moving around today. Everybody's headed to Grandma's house for Christmas, I think. things are moving good. That's a good thing. Let's get over here one lane. Alright guys, we're through Knoxville, so that's one hurdle we had to do. We just got Chattanooga to deal with now. Alright guys, we made it. It is 3:56 Central Time. Good deal. We'll just come up here and back right in the dock. Alright guys, we are unloaded. They got that stuff off my truck in a hurry. They were wanting to go home. So we just finished up our 30-minute break here, getting ready to roll on out of here. I have 3.5 hours I can work yet today. It's about 2 hours and 15 minutes to where I got to pick up my preloaded trailer. I could go up there and grab it. The problem is once I leave there, if I only have like an hour left, I might not be able to make it anywhere to park. Really, from where I'm picking up at, which is it's Ashland City. Is it Ashland City? Let me see. It is. I'll tell you in a second. Yeah, Ashland City, Tennessee. So that's like just northwest of Nashville up there. So the way I'm going up to my house would be right up through Kentucky and Ohio. So yeah, I think I'd have to make it into Kentucky, and I don't know if I have enough time for that. You know, that's where the closest truck stops are that I can think of. Anyway, I'll check it out. I'm going to at least go up to Franklin, Tennessee and park there. So I'll be just below Nashville and then take a break and then go on up tomorrow and pick it up. But it'd be nice to get it tonight. Get north of Nashville up to Kentucky before tomorrow, Monday morning. Anyway, that's where we're at. So yeah, we'll update you when we figure out what we're doing. Alright guys, well, we are up here just getting ready to get on Briley Parkway here over by Nashville. So we decided to come on up to Ashland City. I forgot there is a Walmart right near there that has some truck parking, so decided to come on up here. This way we'll be right close and pick up as soon as our break's over tomorrow. And if worse comes to worse and there's nowhere to park at that Walmart, we can go over and drop our trailer where I'm picking up at and then bobtail out. So we shouldn't have no trouble parking then. Kind of forgot about that Walmart. We had a shower this morning, so I didn't really need to be at a truck stop. We can stop tomorrow sometime and take a shower. It's actually going to be better off because we'll be we don't have to deal with Nashville in the morning. Just the northern fringes of it when we leave out of Ashland City. Probably won't be starting all that early anyway. We'll see. Hey, we only got 17 miles left up to where we're picking up, so about 15 miles to that Walmart. Finally, the rain has finally let up. It was pouring on the way up here. Alright guys, we are here in Ashland City, Tennessee. We're parked here at the Walmart. We found a spot to park and we're done for the day. So I appreciate you guys joining me, and hit that like button on the way out, leave me a comment, and consider subscribing if you haven't already. Alright guys, we'll see you tomorrow.